Here is more of that video showing the force of the waves. You can see the water just keeps coming, pushing people and that vehicle even farther from the shoreline. You can also see just how much damage was left behind in nearby neighborhoods. Homes, businesses, streets flooded. NBC4's Bailey Miller live in Ventura now with reaction from people who live nearby. Bailey.
Good evening. It's quite the mess out here with city employees. They've been hard at work all afternoon working to clean up this mess that's been caused by this massive swell. Now you can see the roadway here and it is just covered in debris and mud. You can see this house, they set up sandbags, but that did not stop that swell from going right over it. And you can even see that water line right there along the garage. It did not stop that water. This is the case for many homes here in this neighborhood. It's not only been a busy day for neighbors here in the city, but also the county. Ventura County lifeguards conducting many rescues today. I just spoke with a Ventura County fire captain, and he said that they're conducting a boat rescue right now out near Silver Strand. So this is far from over, especially because more swell is on the way. Massive waves rolling into Ventura beaches as swells reach 15 to 18 feet and some sets close to 20 feet. Those waves pouring over the walls, separating the beach and homes, causing flooding and damage to homes in Pierpoint.
Our complex itself is underwater. The garage is underwater.
The wave came over the wall, and then it just kept getting worse and worse and worse.
The force of the water so strong, the waves broke the windows and doors in this hotel, causing flooding and damage to all the rooms on the first floor. The water continued to rush down Seaward Avenue as several cars and people were washed down the intersection. Ventura County Fire says 8 people were transported to the hospital with minor and moderate injuries.
As prepared as you can be for living at the beach. Nothing prepares you for something like this.
Surfers hitting the triple overhead sets today despite warning from authorities. This lifeguard pulled to safety by several bystanders on the beach, exhausted after performing a rescue. The lifeguard and the surfer he saved are okay. In all, Ventura County lifeguards conducting 15 rescues. Now, as the high surf advisory continues into the weekend, Ventura County Fire has a message.
All of our beaches are closed. We don't want people going out on the beach. We even recognize people thinking they're safe, and they were not far enough from that surf line. So all of our beaches are closed, so please stay away.
All right, so back out here live, you can see those city employees, they're hard at work. It looked a lot worse earlier today, so the neighbors, they've really banded together, as well as the city. What's up next? City, they're building a berm right now, getting prepared for that high surf that's expected even into that weekend. We are expecting that high surf advisory to last until Saturday. Reporting live here in Ventura, I'm Bailey Miller. I'll send it back to you.